While the world gets quieter, the Challenger keeps roaring. And that's why it'll forever be America's car. In a time when automakers are racing toward hybrids, EVs, and whisper quiet rides, one machine stands stubborn, loud, and unshaken: the Dodge Challenger.